on the autumnal side as well. Not so at the moment, at least not as far as England and Wales is concerned, because as you see here on the morning satellite pictures, it has been dry and largely clear. But there is a band of cloud further to the north. That's a weak front. It's producing some spots of rain, and it is introducing somewhat clearer weather for a while. And that process is going to continue as this particular front comes on southwards and weakens all the while. But there are more fronts behind me out to the west. But as far as the rest of the day is concerned, for most of England and Wales, it's going to be dry, quite sunny in southern and eastern areas, thickening cloud though in those northwestern parts, maybe the odd spot of rain into Cumbria, more in the way of rain across Scotland and Northern Ireland. But even there will be some brighter interludes, in fact some bright weather to begin with in the southeast of Scotland, brightening up in western parts as time goes on. Brighter weather already arriving as I speak. Temperatures in the north around about normal for the time of year, but very warm in the southeastern corner, 25 degrees there. Now what's left of that weak front, the band of cloud and spots of rain, will come down across the rest of England and Wales during the course of the night. We're going to keep those showery bursts to begin with, and then some heavier rain coming into western Scotland and Northern Ireland late on in the night. Now it was a chilly night in the south, but it will be a warmer one just about everywhere. Then the changeable weather begins to set in during the course of tomorrow. Quite a few isobars there, quite a few fronts you'll notice. So for Scotland and Northern Ireland, although some bright weather to begin with, there will be some outbreaks of rain coming across during the course of the day, so ending up wet and windy in a number of places. Far north of Scotland, probably brighter with just some showers. England and Wales, a few spots of rain in the south moving away, and then dry and bright for a good part of the day, but clouding up all the while, and the rain arriving probably during the course of the evening as that weather front zips across. And a fair number of isobars you notice on Friday. It's going to be a windy day, and with those fronts I think most places are going to have a fair bit of rain, but eventually the rain will move away and be replaced by brighter conditions coming down from the northwest, but with a fair number of showers, and it is going to be turning cooler all the while. And then by Saturday that front just about out of the way, a fairly stiff run of northwesterly winds for a while, but then high pressure pushes in from the west. But to begin with, those northwesterly winds could well bring some showers to northern and eastern areas. They'll die away, and then I think for the most part on Saturday a fine day with a fair amount of sunshine. More fronts though looming in on Sunday, so after a bright start, at least in many northwestern parts, it will turn out to be cloudy and wet again. A very good afternoon.